Hey you, how are you doing? Welcome back. So today I do have another mystery box unboxing kind of a thing, and of course it is makeup because what else would it be here on this channel? This is the TBT Mystery Box from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is 5 to 6 full-size products valued at $120 or more. So definitely very interested to get in here. So let's get into this box. So when you open it up, you have the thank you for shopping with Ofra, and it was wrapped really nicely with bubble wrap. So I'm hoping nothing was broken now. I just want to show you real quick. So everything was wrapped in bubble wrap. And then you also have these little foam things at the bottom. And then all of your powder products are actually wrapped individually as well. So I don't think anything will be broken. At least I'm hoping. So let's go ahead and just start with what's in my hand.
I'm sorry, but this device does not support that feature.
All I'm saying is that's like the 5th time she's gone off since I've been filming. So I did get 6 products in this box, so let's get started. They're so hard to open. No way. Okay, so this is the first product that I opened, and I've been wanting more of the highlighters anyways, and I haven't gotten to order it since the last box I got from them. So this is actually the Nikkie Tutorials Everglow highlighter. That is what it looks like. Gorgeous. Yes. So Ofra's like fully known for their highlighters, and can you blame anyone? Like, these are stunning. This is from that Nikkie Tutorials one. This is the Everglow. I mean, they feel like butter. They go on so smoothly and they are blinding. Like, I'm just confused. What more would you possibly need? These are like perfection. Next product. This is a baked blush slash bronzer in the shade Format. This is definitely gonna be like a bronzer for me. Feels like butter. I mean, you literally just glide and pick a product. I don't know if I'll fully like this as a bronzer. On camera it doesn't look bad, and then the mirror doesn't look bad, so possibly. But whenever I look at it at my actual hand, it does look shiny, like a shimmery kind of a thing. And that's typically not my thing. I don't really care for shimmery blushes or bronzers, so I'm hoping it stays like this where I don't really notice it and I'll fall in love with it possibly, maybe. Fingers crossed. But if that's your kind of thing where you like a shimmering kind of thing, I think you might actually really like this. So yeah, these are just so hard to open. What is happening? Can you guess what this one is? This is the Nikkie Tutorials Cloud 9 highlighter. Okay, Ofra. Okay, so back here you can kind of see the purple in it, and up close you can kind of see it. It's like a lilac color on camera. This does shift from like a white silver to a purple, and in some there's a little bit of blue in there. So definitely enjoying that. This is one where you're going to have a magnetic palette for it. Luckily I do, but it did not come in a little component or anything like the other ones. So definitely make sure you have something like that, or be sure to order one. You can get them like for $1 on certain websites. Next up I got a lip liner. This is in Chestnut, and I've already gotten Chestnut before in different packaging. This is still very creamy and soft. So these are both Chestnut. This is the new one in the black packaging. Ignore my nails, they need to be done. This one on the outside right here, closest to my finger, is the old one, and the one on the inside is the new one. And there is a little bit of a color difference. The new one is a little bit darker. However, it's not much to notice. It's just a slight difference that you have to kind of look for to see it. I got an Ofra I got an Ofra liquid. I'm gonna get it together, don't you worry. I'm gonna get it together, okay? I got an Ofra liquid lipstick, and this is in Coven. It is like a metallic looking lipstick. It sure is. So this is Coven. It is like a bronzy metallic color. It is cute, but it's not really my thing, so I don't know. I think this would be like a cool eyeliner or something. And last up in this box, we have a lip gloss, and this is in Mocha. So luckily everything kind of goes together, and it is in one of the little squeezy tubes, which aren't my favorite. So this is that lip gloss right there. It is Mocha. It is very glossy and pretty. Here's the thing. It is really sticky. I mean, I don't know. Not really my kind of thing, but you know, if you're into sticky stuff or whatever, I'm sure I'll get use out of it because it is a very pretty color. It's just not my go-to because of its stickiness and the packaging. I prefer like a tube kind of like this for my glosses, or you know, something similar, because yeah, I actually enjoyed this box. I got more highlighters to try from them that I can't open. I'm very excited to try this one because there's 3 different shades in here. So, I mean, hopefully I'll have the one that matches me best and I can go and order it if I really like it. But, I mean, overall, I don't think this is a bad box. We got 6 products and 2 of them were collabs with a creator, which was really cool to get. I really don't care for compacts like these. I mean, for, like, the bronzer, I do mine. Like, it's fine. And the highlighter, it's fine. But I'd rather have, like, magnetic pans. So that way I could just put them all in one palette and use less room than a compact, if that makes any sense, because they're a lot different in size. However, that is going to be it for today, so I hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I post every Monday and Friday, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys!